26 divided by 13 over 2 times 2. 2 is cancelled with 2 and we will have 26 divided by 13. After simplification we will get 2 and 2 will be our answer, but it is not correct. It is incorrect. It means we have to rehandle the question 26 divided by 13 over 2 times 2. So we have to obey PEMDAS because we have division and multiplication, and we have to move from left to right because division and multiplication both are same, and we have to move from left to right to handle such types of question. It means first of all we have to handle this division and finally this multiplication. This division have KCF 26 as it is, divide is changed into multiplication, and flip 13 over 2 we will get 2 over 13 times 2 will be as it is. Now 13 and 26 are cancelled and we will get 2 times 2 times 2 which will give us 8. Hence 8 will be our correct answer for this PEMDAS based question. Thank you.